Dawn comes, day breaks, and a new day of laughter and joy begins in the small town of Prayagraj, where a group of women embark on their day with a sense of pride and purpose. These women are part of a movement called Pankhuriyan, a range of premium fragrant products at first glance. But look deeper and you find that it is the road to financial independence for women and their families. It is an effort to reduce waste and build a more sustainable world. It is not just a product, it is a story. Over 2 years ago, we started collecting flower waste from the temples in Prayagraj and created a range of premium fragrance products such as incense sticks, dhoop, and more. We started with a small team of 2 women who were struggling financially and aspired for a better quality of life. This modest team has today grown to 20 women who have been empowered to take better care of their families and create a better quality of life for their children. Today we collect over 1 ton of waste flowers from 15 plus temples in the vicinity.
हमको यहाँ आकर के बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं यहाँ आई, हमको कुछ आता नहीं था, लेकिन एक दिन मशीन देखी चलाते, फिर दूसरे दिन मैं बैठी, हमको आ गया। मैं बहुत जल्दी सीख गई, हमारे अंदर हुनर आ गया कि हाँ मैं बना लेती हूँ। अब मैं सीख जाऊँगी, मैं आगे बढ़ना चाहती हूँ, मैं अपने बच्चों का परवरिश करना चाहती हूँ।
मैं यहाँ पंखुड़ियों में पिछले 1 साल से जुड़ी हुई हूँ और ये मेरे लिए एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म है, नया जगह है जहाँ पे जुड़ने के बाद मेरे लाइफ में बहुत बड़ी चेंजिंग आई हुई है। यहाँ से जुड़ने के बाद मुझे पता चला है कि मैं उस लायक हूँ और मैं यही चाहूँगी कि कंपनी आगे चले, साथ साथ मैं भी आगे बढ़ूँ ताकि मैं अपने लाइफ में कुछ कर सकूँ, कुछ बन सकूँ और अपने पेरेंट्स को कुछ बन के दिखा सकूँ कि मैं भी अपने लाइफ में कुछ कर सकती हूँ।
जब से काम करने लगे तब से अपने से बच्चों दिलाते हैं, अपने हस्बैंड कपड़ा दिलाते हैं, अपने के लिए खरीदते हैं, हर त्यौहार पे हम दिलाते हैं। अब तो आदमी भी सुधर गए हैं, पहले से व्यवहार गए
कि हम अपने बच्चों को कुछ शौक थोड़ा बहुत पूरे कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं, अपन दाल रोटी चला लेते हैं, घर के खर्चा नहीं। उसके पहले हमारी स्थिति बहुत गड़बड़ थी, एक टाइम खाए तो एक टाइम तरसे की दाल कहाँ से आवे, दाल नून कहीं से नहीं व्यवस्था रहा।
So a couple of years ago, I actually came across several women who were struggling with unemployment. That really hit me hard. And that in turn resulted in creation of Pankhuriyan. So what really Pankhuriyan stands for? 2 things, women empowerment and spreading environmental consciousness. When I talk about women empowerment, it's all about helping, supporting women to earn their self-respect. It's about helping them develop a sense of self-belief. It's about helping them become financially independent. And today, in a span of about 2 years, there are about 20 families which are getting supported as a result of their association with Pankhuriyan. This is not at all a small accomplishment in my view, because what I see behind that is these women and their families earning not 1 but 2 meals in a day. It's about they're able to buy things that they really need in life without really worried about where they're going to finance it from. It's about seeing their kids go to school every day. And it's these little things that to me make a big difference, a huge difference to what we are in the process of building. All the products that we are creating today are natural, and one of the major sources of those products actually is flowers. And today, if you ask me, we are actually preventing close to 1 ton of these flowers from landing up in river every day. We are taking them, processing them, and creating beautiful products under Pankhuriyan.
We aim to take bigger strides into the future while staying true to our mission of empowering the society through sustainable products that will benefit our generation today and those in the years to come. Today, Pankhuriyan is rapidly gaining popularity among companies and individual buyers as a unique lifestyle product and gifting solution that represents an integral part of our culture. Our products are completely natural and most importantly, sustainable. Each time a Pankhuriya product gets sold, the world becomes a slightly better place than it was. Now, isn't that a wonderful way to spread smiles? Pankhuriya, the joy of living through giving.